this out. We're gonna go to April 5th, 2024. April 5th, 2024. I'm gonna check the daily for gaps. Alright, no gaps. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. I was looking at this low. Let's see. After this break, now I'm gonna work my way back up. Let's see. This lines up with this over here. Okay. These are recent supports. Let me see. Let's see. So this is the prior day low. Let's see what happens. Let's go to 935. Okay. We're consolidating. Definitely don't like that. So we bounce at the first target. It's crazy. So we consolidate, break that prior day low, come back up, we're sideways, so we might have had news this day. This could have been a news day. Let me see. April 5th, 2024. News. Yeah, this could have been a news day. I can't pull it up here, but it seemed like this was a news day. Straight consolidation for the from 9:50 to 11:05 had to be a news day. But when we bear flag at this level, it finally gives out. Finally gives out. Then we come down to all the levels I had. It's crazy. Look at this. All of this is news. It has to be news. We break the low and then we consolidate sideways from 9:50 straight to 11. Yeah. Next date I have is June 4, 2025. June 5th, 2025. Sorry, June 4th, 2025. Check the daily. Gap is far. Let's see. Prior day low. Let's see. Everything seems far. Let's see, what's this? See. We have a resistance. This area looks tricky. Probably go on the 1 hour time frame. I'll go on the 1 hour. Okay, I like this double bottom right here. Let's see what's in between this area. Let me see. Let's remove this. 337.75. Remove this. I like this one's closer. Okay. After this is the next support. Now I'm gonna go back to the 4 hour time frame and see. Let's see, okay. I'll do this low, double bottom, triple bottom, 1, 2, 3 touches. And we have another double bottom right here. Okay. We'll go to 9:35 on the 1 minute. Start this off. Don't take straight falls. You see what we have here. Straight fall, don't take that. It's a falling knife. I like this double top right here. Let's see what continuation we get off the double top on the 1 minute. Consolidating. See, this is extended. This is why I like using the 9 EMA, because I don't use a 9 EMA for entry, but I use it to know when a stock is extended, and this is an extended fall. So I'm definitely not in on this fall right here. More than likely, at this consolidation, let's go to 950. Boom. Consolidate and come down straight through the level. First target hit, second target hit, and we're rejecting the support that I had. Boom. Fall to the next support, rejecting here, we're coming down again. This is nice. Let's go to 10:05. Sheesh. Sheesh. Nice though. Respect all levels. Boom. Reject, come down. Reject, come down. And as you can see, the 9 EMA showed no signs of reversal. Like right here, we consolidated, but we didn't reverse where this became the gap in between us became small for it to come back up. As you can see, we're still trending lower. Come down, consolidate, reject. Come down, consolidate, reject. Nice.